Hey there YouTube, Darrell Hammond here, today with another exciting review for you. The product we're reviewing today is called the Collector. It's a product newly released by John Newman. He's an Aussie chap from down under, and we're going to take a look at what he's offering you. So let's start out here on the bonus page, and I have some pretty good bonuses lined up for you, but please stay tuned to see what those are going to be. First, we're probably going to jump inside the product like we usually do. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get into The Collector by John Newman. Alright, here we are inside the members area of The Collector. This is a new product by John Newman, and what it is a over-the-shoulder video training program that takes you step by step through the whole process of affiliate marketing. He focuses primarily on launch jacking, and then takes you into details about some of the other intricacies of affiliate marketing, and it is a very detailed training course. Alright, so here we are on the inside of The Collector, and basically the front end of this course is module number 1 and module number 2, and I do believe that you have to take at least upsell number 1 to be able to get to the next couple of modules. So starting off, we have module number 1. Start here. There's a welcome video, an overview of the course, and basically a little more in-depth of zero to super affiliate and some mindset information and what it takes to get from nowhere to somewhere. So the next module is called launch jacking. There's a video about introduction to affiliate marketing. He goes over the essential tools of affiliate marketing, both paid and unpaid versions or options available to you to utilize in your endeavor. The next one, launch jacking method, part number 1, and then a second one, part number 2 of the launch jacking method. And then he also talks about how to grow your business with email marketing. He goes over your video review structure and how you should set it up, and how to upload and rank your videos to get a little more traction on YouTube. So the next module, module number 3, is getting to the 50 plus sales level. Then there's the strategy. It's a visual overview. Why you're not getting approved. He covers picking your offers to promote, setting up the website. There's going to be a video on setting up your autoresponder, building landing page and bridge page setup. There's a case study, a video on paid traffic, and then another video on the free traffic method. Module number 4, building a buyer's list as an affiliate, the affiliate marketing game, the product launching formula, and then the final video, products to promote with license rights. Pick 1 to 2 to get started. As you can see, it's a pretty detailed course. There's a lot of great information available to you, and in my opinion, worth the investment. There's also a section on resources where he covers all the different resources. Then there's also a conclusion where it takes you to the next step and beyond. Alright, and then of course, if you didn't take advantage of any of the upsells when you first purchase, you can also take advantage of them now by clicking on the upgrades. So let's take a look at the bonus page. This is the bonus page, and if you choose to pick up The Collector, click on any of the links. There's one here at the top, and there are some other big buttons located throughout the page, these big yellow buttons. You click on those, it'll take you to the sales page where you can pick up your copy of The Collector. And this is the page those buttons will take you to. Overview video, some income proof, some more income proof for you there. Here you have some testimonials there. And these are the vendor bonuses that you will get from $0 to $100 in 24 hours. El Bandito, The Secret Weapon, and Lindgren's Lazy Method. Those are the vendor bonuses that are available when you purchase via any of the links on my bonus page, and this is my bonus page. So let's go ahead and jump on down, take a look at what's going on. So what is the collector all about? This is unlike any make money online method you've ever seen before. You don't require any paid tools or upfront costs. You don't need any tech skills or experience. It's easily possible to see consistent results in just an hour of spare time per day. He's going to show you step by step how to use this setup, create your own online income business. Let's go over the prices and the sales funnels right now. So the front end offer is only $7.95. This is well worth the investment for all the information that you're going to get. And I would at least recommend going with upsell number 1. It's $27, and that's going to open up all those extra training videos that are in the members area that I showed you. And that's where you get the advanced training of everything that's worked for him since starting online in 2014, including free and paid traffic strategies and inside secrets to the affiliate marketing game, and there is a case study included. And then there is upsell number 2. Upsell number 2 is $97, the collector effortless info products. You'll discover the number 1 guru secret that will supercharge your personal economy and explode your earnings by creating digital assets. Upsell number 2.5 is limitless traffic at $197. 100 people can siphon the traffic directly from one of his mentor's sales pages, and that is one of the top Warrior Plus affiliates and vendors. And then there's upsell number 3. It's the collector's resale rights. It's $47. That's where you get to sell the collector as your own product, and you can keep the commissions across the entire funnel. Upsell number 4 is coaching. It is $97. You will receive 2 to 3 Skype Zoom coaching sessions with him and have an email and Facebook support for a full month where he will help with anything regarding internet marketing. So once again, some of the key benefits. It's a simple step-by-step system intentionally built for newbie marketers. It's 100% proven effective. This rinse and repeat method is making consistent $100 days. You'll get fast results, start seeing income in as little as a few short days. Finally, it's no experience or tech skills required. Newbie friendly, over-the-shoulder videos walk you through the simple process. There is a 30-day money-back guarantee if you are not satisfied. So once again, this is my bonus page. The link to this bonus page is in the description below the video. Click on it. It'll take you to the sales page where you can pick up your copy of The Collector. So here we are on the bonuses. And I am part of a training and mentorship program with John Armstrong, and he has kindly allowed me to provide you with these amazing bonuses, and they are available to you when you pick up The Collector via any of the links on this bonus page, and the link to that bonus page is in the description below. So bonus number 1 is a secret traffic source to put the collector on steroids. Bonus number 2 is how to build a custom opt-in pages and to grow your list. Bonus number 3, how to engage your audience with these simple email hacks. Bonus number 4, how to monetize your collector email list. And then finally, bonus number 5 are all the special vendor bonuses, and those include from $0 to $100 in 24 hours, El Bandito, the secret weapon, and Lindgren's lazy method. Alright, so once again, let's go over those bonuses real fast. Bonus number 1, a secret traffic source to put the collector on steroids. That bonus is Fuego Breakout. You'll get to sign up and be able to access this training for free. And then bonus number 2 is how to build a custom opt-in pages to grow your list. That is a bonus training that John offers, and that link will take you to this page where you can learn how to build your own landing pages for cheap. Bonus number 3, how to engage your audience with these simple email hacks. That is a video tutorial, again, by John Armstrong, telling you how to get more engagement in your email marketing campaigns. And bonus number 4, how to monetize your collector email list. And bonus number 4, how to monetize your collector email list, another bonus video tutorial by John Armstrong. So there you have it. All those crazy great bonuses available when you purchase the collector via any of these large links on this bonus page, and that bonus page is linked in the description below. Click on any of these. It'll take you on over to the sales page where you can pick up your copy of The Collector by John Newman. So you're going to want to click on any of these large yellow links, take advantage of this offer before the timer hits 0, and you miss out. Thanks for taking the time to check out my review and the bonuses I have available for you. Once again, go to the bonus page. The link is in the description below, and take advantage of this amazing offer for The Collector by John Newman. Go ahead and click like, leave a comment, click the subscribe button, ring that notification bell, and you will be notified next time I put out a brand new review video for you. My name's Darrell Hammond. Check out my website, darrellhammond.com, and I appreciate you stopping by. Have a wonderful day. See ya.